sign in after we get done. That way I know what to say.
Yeah. Petroglyphs recreation area. That's a brochure.
If there's anything in there.
There's nothing. The trail starts here, so we're gonna hike to the petroglyphs. It's cold. I'm wearing jacket. Ina, it's not cold. I got layers on. I remembered my Chicago days. When I woke up, it was so cold.
When I went to Chicago for work, I had a wool jacket. I called
Yeah.
it my Chicago jacket because that's the only place I wore it, you know, living in California.
I even bought like that trench coat.
Yeah.
And I never wore it.
Yeah.
It's like I don't even need it.
I just hated it. It's like you had to put on the coat, the gloves, the scarves, the
Yeah.
hat, the earmuffs. It's like
And then you have
all
therm-
this stuff.
you
And
have-
then you go in someplace and you're hot.
Yeah, you
You
have to
gotta take
remove
it
them.
off.
Then you
Try
have
not to
to.
lose anything.
Plus, you got that thermal underwear.
Yeah.
But it helps if you're outside. But once you're in the car,
Yeah.
it's not too bad.
Oh, maybe we have some here then.
Okay.
Oh, I bet there's some here. I don't know, people like scratched it.
Yeah, because there's number 2 already.
I didn't even see number 1.
Yeah. Maybe it's over that way. I'm not sure.
Oh, well, there's rocks over that way. I don't
But
know.
the pathway is only.
When we go back, we'll have to look.
And what? Oh, maybe this one?
Maybe, but it's like
Really?
scratches. I don't.
Maybe those are the drawings, the scratches. Could be, but looks new. Well, it's in the rock, so
Yeah.
doesn't
Huh.
come off easily.
I'm not sure.
So we don't know who made this one.
Huh.
Ancient people. This one is even clear because it's like it's number 3.
3.
So at least this wall.
Yeah. Or maybe like back in there, maybe
Yeah.
that.
That one too.
Huh.
There's none here.
I guess this right here is number 4.
Oh, okay, number 4, yeah. Well, oh, there's more up there. Some more up there.
Huh.
And then down here. A little bit up there. The next one, this looks modern. I don't know. It's the letter D. That's eroded.
Huh.
It's surrounded by a mountain. So even if you just hike here, it's already good. So the petroglyphs are just a bonus for this hike. My camera doesn't respond. I think it just keeps recording.
I hate it on
Why?
my phone. It will always turn on the video, and I'm like, I don't want to take a video. I'm trying to take a damn picture. You know?
You always have to
And I turn
remember.
around to the selfie, and I'm like, I don't want to take a selfie. I'm trying to take a picture.
You know, it's an incline up. It's cold wind. There's more there. Number 5. Looks like it's just a tree. See anything here? So the petroglyphs are different from the Egyptian. What's that? Hieroglyphs.
Yeah, hieroglyphs. Yeah.
Hieroglyphs. Because I was expecting I'll see like colorful drawings and stuff.
Yeah.
Because that was the Egyptian ones, right?
Right.
Maybe we need to take a trip to Egypt.
That would be cool. I wanted to go there.
But I don't think they have like free campgrounds there.
No, I don't think so.
You have to go. Oh, maybe this is the place where we saw those people
Oh
walking.
yeah. Oh, you can see the mountain has snow on it.
Yeah. Great Basin
Yeah.
Mountains.
Yeah.
You can see there it's still got snow. It's not surprising because it's cold up here. Even when it's cold, it feels like it's winter in Texas. Ah, nice flowers already. Spring.
Lots of flowers.
Different colors. I don't have the blue bonnet.
Yeah, it's pretty right now. Driving like all the flowers.
Okay, we got a fork of the trail and we're deciding left or right. Fun or not? Which way?
I don't know which is fun and which is not though.
But if you go that way, it will go back to where we came, right?
Yeah.
So we should go there? Or
Yeah.
this one?
I don't know. I don't know that that's gonna go close enough to the rocks. Or I guess we could go down here and peek.
Yeah, and
see.
just take a look there by the
And
tree.
then if not, we'll go back.
Okay, if it's fun or not, just gonna make a U-turn. So it's an adventure. There's some rocks there. Maybe we'll see something, maybe not. Oh, there's no more, no more pathway. Oh, there's one there. I can see some petroglyphs there. You have to go down here. There's more.
Here.
Yeah, but you want to see that one?
You see them?
Yeah, like there on the wall.
Okay.
It's like a flat surface wall.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that's like the fun of it. You have to discover where it is.
I think this is more recent.
Ah,
There's
that's
like
recent?
a peace sign. There's a peace
Oh,
sign.
okay. Somebody just carved it, and somebody like pretended this is a petroglyph, but there's a 1949 there.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the discoverer. Well, that's the fun part. Okay, this is not real. Maybe, you don't know, maybe time travelers came up here
Yeah.
at that time and copied the old ancient people. They have erased some of them too.
Huh.
See anything else there?
I was seeing if there's one of the signs, but
There's no more.
I don't.
Probably this is not it.
Yeah.
A nice place to like camp here. Although it's sloping, maybe a tent. This is like soft ground,
Yeah.
so that it's sloping.
Yeah, I don't know that there's any here. They're not real ones.
Yeah.
I don't see the posts.
Maybe we go back there. Coming back. That's why I switch.
Like steps.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. There's the curvings here. So that's just erosion from the water, right?
Yeah, and the wind.
The wind also.
Yeah.
These steps, somebody made it. Mountains looks good. If it seems like I'm out of breath, it's the thin mountain air. It's not because I have no
Well, we're
physical.
up in elevation too.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is probably 7,000 feet.
I don't have oxygen.
I don't know. I think this goes up.
Ah, okay.
So,
So we better go back.
no, does this look like a trail?
Looks like a trail, a small trail going down.
Maybe it's because I see a mark.
So this is probably the shortcut. Okay. Sun is up but still cold. Oh, that's where we turned.
Oh, yeah.
So there's a trail to the left too.
Oh, that's where we went that way.
Yeah.
This one comes this way.
So this is the other part of the fun or not.
Oh, somebody's dog is running over there.
Oh, someone's walking there. Narrow pathway.
Maybe.
Otherwise you have to turn back. It looks like it's
I
climbing
think
up.
there's more petroglyphs over here.
Oh, okay.
too.
Yeah. Maybe it's
Oh, another little baby lizard.
wow.
One up there,
It
though.
went under the rock. It's a lizard. I don't want to see like a snake coming out there.
Oh yeah, you can see some here. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
It's like a horseshoe.
I don't really know if they're
That might not be.
modern or not. See a close-up. Is that it or no? There's more up there. Yay, I'm up here. I'm up on the rocks. Maybe this is the entrance. Oh yeah,
Yeah, there's
table. picnic area. Maybe they have up there, but maybe
Yeah.
they will not let you climb up there. It's more dangerous. There's more rock formations. From these little trees. Or maybe this one. So when they put
Number 10, but I think it's, oh well.
maybe that one because it's got a fence. Got a fence around it. Maybe it is. Petroglyph. How do you pronounce it? Petroglyphs.
I guess some here that they're really kind of faded or
Yeah, down here. There's some on the other side too.
okay.
So we don't know if these were part of it. Just erosion. With an arrow. This one looks modern.
Oh yeah.
That was a fun hike during the petroglyphs. And they have a ledger here to
Oh,
write.
there's a map here. I could have borrowed that. Kind of faded,
Oh yeah,
but that might have helped us.
to figure out what it is.
Yeah.
Let's see
Oh
that.
well.
We saw it firsthand.
Yeah. It's clean out the book.
Oh, there at the bottom.
There we go.
The latest one.
What is today? You know what the
20.
20?
Oh, you can write
Yeah.
for both of us. And then just comments, just say fun or not. Alright. That concludes our tour. So we're saying goodbye to Petroglyphs recreation area. So hopefully the video will show. Okay, we're going westward.